Hi, everyone. Ready to turn your digital files into passive income? Gumroad is one of the easiest ways to start selling today. In this 2026 guide, I'm walking you through the updated process to get your product live in minutes. Let's jump in. Step 1. Create a new product. Log into your dashboard and click on Products in the left sidebar, then select New Product. You'll see several types. For a one-time download, choose Digital Product. Give it a catchy name and set your price. You can even use the Pay What You Want feature by adding a plus sign after the price. Step 2. Customize your sales page. Next is the Customize tab. This is your landing page. Write a compelling description. You can now embed videos or code blocks here to show off your work. Make sure to upload a high-res cover image, 1280 by 720, and a thumbnail, 600 by 600. These are the first things your customers will see, so make them pop. Step 3. Upload your digital files. Now head to the Content tab. This is what your customers actually get. Click the Upload Files button to add your PDFs, zip files, or videos. You can also create cages here to organize your downloads if you're selling a bundle. If you're selling software, don't forget to toggle on Generate License Keys. Step 4. Configure checkout settings. Under the Checkout tab, you can add discount codes or custom receipt text. Since 2025, Gumroad handles all global sales tax for you, so you don't need to worry about VAT settings. Just double-check your call to action button. Options like I want this or buy this usually perform best. Step 5. Publish and share. Hit Save Changes and then click Publish. You'll get a unique URL immediately. You can share this link on social media or use the Embed feature to put a buy button directly on your own website. And that's it. Your store is open for business. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.